All right, so a little context. If you saw the last video, you saw that we did a pretty epic supercar cruise.
We've been cooking like a chef, that's why everybody.
I'll put that link in the description, but that's not what this video is about. On the way home from that cruise, we were cruising with Paul in the M5, and seeing as I wasn't driving and I'm constantly surrounded by the best photographers in the Chicagoland area, I decided to kind of practice roller photography on his M5. So here's that footage. There's even a couple races at the end. I'm not going to say what car I was in because Tim actually got a new car and I want to kind of make a full dedicated video revealing that car, but you could probably guess from the clips at the end there. But here's my attempt at roller photography on an E60 M5 V10, so enjoy.
Focus. Still no good.
I've been doing just fine. Hey, you've been doing alright. Let's get together, right?
Are you serious? An earthquake with a camera can keep it more stable than that. Focus and get back out there. You need to keep the camera steady. Both hands on the body. We got one. Applying edit and enhance. Don't lose your momentum now. Beautiful shot. Nice and low. Very sharp. Good work. Hold for traffic. Traffic clear. Get back out there. Forget everything we learned. Extend your arms and keep steady.
So come on.
There we go.
Come on. So come on. Hey, you've been doing alright. Let's get together, right? So come on. Come on. Come on.
bitch.
I know, I was in the wrong gear, that's why.
Ready to go again. Took a minute, then I figured out. No, it never really hurts, you don't figure it out.
Yeah, he definitely has me on top end.
Then repeat.
So they didn't come out quite as good as some of these photographers around here, but seeing as I've only done it a few times, I think they came out pretty good. My biggest struggle today was the sunlight. It was very harsh sunlight, and if you don't know, that's like a photographer's worst enemy. I'm not making excuses. I have to kind of remember to turn the polarizer while I'm out of the car. It's kind of difficult to handle the camera with the wind smacking you in the face like that, but nevertheless, had a lot of fun. Paul's M5 is so badass. It looks really good rolling down the road, and hopefully I did it justice with some of these pictures. If you want to follow Paul, I'll put his Instagram down in the description, and hopefully we get chances like this in the future to practice some more roller photography, because it's a lot of fun, and I definitely want to get better at it. So but as for that, that's all I got, and if you have any guesses on what Tim's new car is, leave them down in the comments.
Yeah, I'm ready to go.
Also, it helps that Karen's on my shoulder guiding me through the whole thing, so thanks, Karen.
No worries.
Yeah,